Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'll show you how to set your booking availability. So first we'll set up our global settings by going to Settings, then Schedule. You'll see that you have each day of the week represented. To make things easy, what we could do is, let's say you're open from Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. So we'll just add on here 9 to 5 p.m. and then click Apply All. If you're closing Sunday, just click this garbage can icon and Sunday will be closed, and the same thing with Saturday. So now your default is set from 9 to 5 on Monday through Friday. Of course, you can also customize your schedules every day of the week. Just click Add Time and pick your time availability manually on each day. Now, if you want to override this default or global setting, just go into Booking Pages, then select from either of these choices here. Let's edit this one, for example, then click Schedule from the left sidebar menu here. You will see this global schedule toggled on, so toggle that off for now since we're trying to override it. Now you can set your time availability for this specific appointment just exactly how you did when setting the global settings. You can also set a date range or specific dates. For example, let's click Add New Date Range here. Then, for example, we'll set this for the entire month of September. Say you're only going to be available every Monday at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for the entire month. You can set that here. Make sure to click Save once you're done customizing. If you want to delete it, just click the garbage icon. And that's how you can set your booking availability.